Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming the week after Valentine's, which is the week of the 15th of February until the 21st of February. So I'm using this beautiful kit from Tickled Pink Planning. It's called Primrose and Bow mini kit, and it's a collaboration with Marshmallow Studios. So you have the first page, which is the full boxes and functional full boxes, and the second page is just your quarter boxes, half boxes, and your habit trackers, some teardrops, weekend banner, flags, and the not habit trackers, these are the checklist with the bow. To add to that, I'm going to use these two washi. So one is from Tickled Pink Planning, which is this bow and primrose with the sparkle of silver foil with the dandelions. And then I'm using this Snow Day washi from Simply Gilded on the 10mm size, with silver foil as well. So I'll bring some silver foil items this time around. Without further ado, let's get to this and I'll talk to you soon. So the first thing is to put down the washi, which is a beautiful, beautiful, colorful washi. I love the mix and match of the yellow and the pink. It looks really nice. And the blue of the Simply Gilded washi just makes it even more fitting of this kit, because the kit has a lot of blue, yellows and pinks. I put both washis on the first end of the week. I don't put it on Saturday or Sunday on the weekend, because I don't think that's the aesthetic I'm looking for. Anyway, after that I start on my planning. So this week I put down the full boxes. This kit had the double box, so I put down that on Wednesday and Thursday and Tuesday, at the bottom, because I just love this so much. This kit came with a lot of faces, like full boxes with the girls, and I had to make a decision on when to put it, where to put it, and I would end up with 2 girls on 4 days, so I decided to put the double box on the first week. So on top of the full boxes, I put down these clear sticker hearts headers from Simply Watercolor Co. or Sadie Stickers, I can't remember, and I just find it so precious. I think it worked really well with the aesthetic and the theme that I was going for, so I put them on all of the full boxes, on top of all of the full boxes. And after that I added these colorful pens from Panda Bird Designs. It wasn't a grab bag, and I just thought they matched so well, so I put them to mark down work from home. I worked from home all week on this week that we're planning, and decided that that was the best way of marking it, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So on my Monday I did put a half box on from the kit to mark down that it was Coffee Monday. The clear stickers from GP Sticker Studio, the script is from me. I started using these lovely cats and a primrose from the Primrose Corner, and the script in silver foil that says Scoop Poop is from Rose Colored Daze. It was also Bin Night, and I used a sticker from Serena Jane, a half box with a bow to mark down that I needed to do the dishes on that Monday, and that was my main task for the evening. Everything else was just to relax and enjoy my evening. On the Tuesday I put down a few things that I needed to get done, absolutely needed to get done from work. So I needed to fix a presentation, do some NDAs, change some meetings and adjust some recurrent meetings, and I really had to get them done on that day because otherwise it was going to mess the schedule for the entire year. So I really wanted to mark that down on my planner so I could have it marked down everywhere. I had it on my work planner, I had it on my personal planner, just so I would not forget, and on my dailies as well. So it was an overload of the same information, but it was necessary. I used after that I used a quarter box. This kit doesn't have a lot of quarter boxes. I don't know if Tickled Pink Planning is doing kits, but her kits usually don't have a lot of quarter boxes. I use it to mark down that I needed to fold the clothes. I usually fold my clothes right after washing and drying, but I've been so busy that it stayed on the bed since Sunday, and I only had the time to do it on Tuesday. Also watered my plants. Used this beautiful girl from Planet Beautiful to mark it down, and then a half box to mark down that I needed to set some destashed bundles aside. I'd stashed a lot of my washi. I don't use washi as much, and I definitely don't use hollow washi, so I am destashing all of my hollow washi from Simply Gilded because I just need to be realistic of what I'm going to use and what I'll never get to use. On Wednesday I used a half box to mark down that I needed to build furniture. I needed to have a few days. I'm still finalizing my my studio or my office, and building furniture is one of the things that I just hate doing. So I decided to build furniture on that day, and it was glorious because now it looks so good. I again had to clean the litter trays, and I used the Primrose Girl with the script from Rose-Colored Daze, and I love this Primrose Girl hugging the cat. She's so precious, and black and white is just so nice. I used another half box to mark down that I wanted to film a haul, which I did, which was good. And finally, the last thing on my agenda for that day was to call my mom. I marked it with a clear sticker from the Graceful Planner. Work has been really trying and really busy of late. I've been slacking on all of my social media accounts as well as my filming schedule because I am so tired, mentally exhausted, I should say. And that's why this is coming up so late for you guys. Anyway, Thursday was payday, marked down with a girl from Planet Beautiful. A quarter box to mark down that I needed to pay my credit card, and that credit card icon is from the Coffee Monsterz Co. Water plants again, Planet Beautiful, and another half box to mark down that I again needed to do the dishes urgently on that day because it was just insane. And you can see me struggling with that half box. I love the kit, the paper that she uses for her kids, Tickled Pink Planning. It just lifts out of the paper. That is absolutely beautiful, but you can still write on it. So I absolutely love. You can still write with gel pen on it, so it's just perfect. A half box on Friday to mark down again that I needed to clean the litter trays. I also marked down that it was Friday with a quarter box, and which is very crooked, by the way, and a little sticker saying that it's finally. Did grocery shopping at the end of the day, which was really needed. And another half box to mark down that I needed to do to request some vet documents for my dog's appointment, and he is doing really well after surgery. I'm really happy with it. He's getting all the care that he needs, and he's recovering really well, and that's a good thing. Onto my weekend, I put down a sleep-in day on Saturday, and then I used a clear full box from the kit to mark down all of the things that I needed to clean that day, because my house really needed to be cleaned. and I just wasn't having it anymore. So I just set the day to just clean all of the things, especially because my furniture was built, so I could actually start moving things around the office. But if the rest of the house wasn't clean, I wouldn't be able to. As you can see, I ripped the half box apart and I had to put it back together. And to be honest, there is absolutely nothing that shows that it was ripped off, and that's the beauty of this paper. It's just so buttery smooth and it's so good. To mark down that awkward space between the end of my full box and my washi, I put down an accent bow by the Sweet Plans. I don't know if they're still on the market, but I've bought it ages ago and I really need to use it, so that's what it is. Sunday again I slept in, and once more I used a half box, a functional full box from the kit to mark down all of the social media things that I was doing. So I did a voiceover on a plan with me, I edited, did the thumbnail, did the timestamps, but I did not upload it. So everything is ready, I just need to upload and make and finish and press the button, press to publish, but I just did not have the time. The final thing that I did on Sunday, oh, by the way, all of these tiny scripts are from Randidot Plans. It's beautiful. Last thing I did on the Sunday was to call my mom, and I marked that down with a little house clear sticker from the Graceful Planner. And yeah. Alright everyone, that is the spread for this week. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you have any questions, please leave on the comments down below. All shops will be tagged on the description of this video. And I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love you lottles. Bye!